Do you know you can apply for a $4,000 grant? Do you need money? Do you know you can apply for a $4,000 grant? Grants, whenever I mention grants, so just know that I'm talking about free money that you don't have to pay back. This is a $4,000 grant. $4,000 free money that you don't need to pay back. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Guess what? This website will give you $4,000 for free. They give out 4K every quarter, so sit back, relax, and listen. In fact, this video never expires because I'm sure by the time you're watching it, you can always apply for these grants. Grants will be funded within 30 days after all signed usage and required documents are received by NASE. If you want a grant for your business or organization this year, you need to watch this video. Do not forget to share with your friends, your groups, your church members, your mosque members, your parapol members. In today's video, I'm talking about free money that you don't have to repay back. If this is something you're interested in, don't sleep on it. Please note there are no stupid questions on this channel. Feel free to ask your questions and I will be very happy to respond to every single one of you. So if you're new to this channel, by all means, I'd like to know you. Yes, I want to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your love and your incredible support. As I see you, you see me, and I appreciate every single one of you. Yes, and while you're introducing yourselves, let me also, I think it's just, courtesy demands and I also introduce myself as well. So guys, if you're new here and you're seeing me for the first time, this hyper queen for the first time, my name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, it's all about how to make money. We're not sleeping here. We are not sleeping. Oh yeah, G Masum. Without further ado, let's just get right into how you can apply for this $4,000 grants. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So besties, welcome back to my channel, the place where we turn your goals into reality. Here are 5 reasons why you should apply for grants. If you have ever wondered how grants can be your ticket to success, you are in the right spot. Before we dive in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell because we're about to drop some gems, some knowledge bombs that can shape your future. So let's get started. Here are some reasons why you should consider applying for grants. Number 1, grants are free. Unlike loans, grants are a source of free money and they do not have to be repaid back. Yes, this $4,000 is free, and once you win a grant, you're likely going to win more grants. It's called a waterfall effect. Once you have been awarded a grant, other funders are likely to take notice of your success, and guess what? You can also build credibility. Why apply for a grant? See, grants can provide valuable resources for organizations to carry out projects or provide services that they otherwise would not have been able to. Have you heard of NASE grants, the National Association of the Self-Employed? The NASE was founded in 1981 to provide day-to-day support, including direct access to experts, benefits, and consolidated buying power that traditionally had been available only to large corporations. Today, the NASE presents hundreds of thousands of entrepreneurs and micro businesses and is the largest non-partisan association of its kind here in the United States. What are the selection criteria? Criteria used in evaluating applications and rewarding grants include review of identifiable business need, detailed use of the proceeds of the grant, the potential of the grant to satisfy the identified business need. Now, the potential impact of the grant on overall business growth and success. How long should a business plan be? In case you're asking, a business plan should be as long or as short as it needs to be, and there is no hard and fast rule. Some past grant winners have had very short business plans and their applications, were taken. Yes, they won, while other winners have had very long business plans. Simply provide the best business plan that will demonstrate to the review committee what your business does and how you operate. How and when are checks issued? In case you're wondering, grants will be funded within 30 days after all signed usage and required regulatory documents are received by NASE. When is the application deadline? Don't worry. Grant applications are reviewed quarterly. Like I said, it is always available. I don't care when you watch this video. It's going to be available in the quarter that you watch this video. So grant applications are actually reviewed quarterly based on this schedule. Now, completed applications that are received in January, February, and March will be reviewed in April. Completed applications that are received in April, May, and June will be reviewed in July. Completed applications that are received in July, August, and September will be reviewed in October. Completed applications received in October, November, and December will be reviewed in January of the following year. Guys, have you seen my previous video? Yes, on how to make money with Cash App. Make sure that you tell a friend, watch that video. And yes, as always, I've done all the homework for you. To apply for this amazing opportunity, please go ahead and find the link in my description. In my next video, I'm going to share with you extremely weird but legal ways to make up to $8,000 in a month. Yes, so guys, if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. If you like this video, if this video has blessed you, you know how we do it, just share with your friends. And yes, I have a giveaway. Yes, in today's video. Did I mention it in the beginning? Well, thank you and congratulations for watching this video all the way till the end, because if you had clicked out, you probably would not have known about this giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway on this channel. So here is how to enter for my own giveaway. I'm going to be giving away $100 cash. Yes, and I'm going to send it to you through PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, or Cash App. Yeah, I mean, that's it. And I'll also send it to you through Western Union Money Transfer and other, money transfer platforms. Here is how to enter for my own giveaway. All you need to do is go ahead and add your friends. By the way, we have launched our Telegram community. Please go ahead and invite your friends into my Telegram group. Yes, invite 50 of your friends, and I'm going to help you get this mission completed. What you need to do is send it to a minimum of 500 people or 1,000 people in your circle, or people that you know in your church, in your mosque, in your WhatsApp group, your Facebook group, your village members, your parapet members, everyone and anyone that you know, and even your enemies and your besties. So what you need to do, just dump my link. Tell them why they should join my Telegram community. Tell them this is someone that shares a lot of ideas on how to make money online. These are tested and trusted strategies, I tell you. So go ahead and add your friends. Share my Telegram link with them. The more, the better for you. The more that they join, the better for you. So make sure that 50 people join my Telegram community using your link, and I'm gonna send you $100. Yes, I'm gonna send you $100 cash gifts anywhere you are in the world. Guys, that is pretty much it. And let me also share with you one way. Yes, if you need me to clarify one or two things, or if there's something you have been seeing on the internet and you want more clarity on it, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. Your wish is my command. Just let me know what you want to see more of on this channel. I am more than happy to create content just for you guys. And yes, at this point, I just want to say a big thank you to my amazing Patreon members. You guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. I see you see me, and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you real good. To all my Patreon members, thank you. The love is real. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, do you know that you have direct access to me? First and foremost, you have full and direct access to me. You can book a free one-on-one consultation with me as a Patreon member, and we can discuss all things money. We can help you get started with your business. Yes, start your business. We can talk about business, money, grants, and everything in between. And at this point, I just want to encourage you guys, if you have a business or a business idea and you have not registered your business yet, please, I beg, it is so cheap. It is easy to set up your own business. Yes, make it official. Go to the nearest county and get your business duly registered, and that is pretty much it. After registering your business, then you'll need to do a newspaper publication. So all you need to do is take that registration document. After a couple of days, they will mail it to you, but you have your receipt from the county. And once they do that, you do a newspaper publication. They at the county will also give you a list of newspaper media outlets that you can publish your business name. Yes, and once you're done, you're fine, you're good to go. And that is it, guys. Making money is easier than you think. Like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So guys, that is it for today. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. Take care, guys, and God bless you. Bye for now.